Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya and welcome to another Saturday morning mix. Today I would like to share with you a bunch of cards I made, but first let me share with you the supplies I used. First, I use only the greenery from these dies. So I use only this sleeve from a set in Concord and Ninth. It's a flower set, and I use these sleeves here and also the leaves in this set. This is a mushroom die by Concord and Ninth. Then I use a Nuvo glitter texture and white acrylic paint for splatter. For the papers, I really love these papers. I think I'm going to check back on scrapbook.com and see the other paper collection they carry, because it's really good quality. So I use Snow Days and Gingerbread. And for the dies, I use a lot of dies. So I use this mason jar die by Paper Tray Ink. This one called Wonky Scalloped Frame die by Avriel. The Rick Rack die by Paper Tray Ink. I use these small hearts by this set by Mama Elephant called Postage Frame. I use this dress. This is Primitive Gingerbread Accessories by Impression Obsession, but unfortunately they closed down. So I don't think so you're going to find their dies unless it's on eBay or any mustache group. I use this cute die called Gingerbread with Heart. Another gingerbread die, this called Primitive Gingerbread. See? Gingerbread cookies. And for the rectangle die, I use this beautiful die, this one called, it's a rectangle die by Dare to Be Artsy. This die called Valentine Cookies, Cocoa Bear, and Smart Cookies. Okay, so it's a lot of dies. So let me make a space. So the first card I made is this fun card. So I have here the mason jar, and there's a gingerbread popping up, and here's some cookies, and this is the greenery, and this is the Nuvo texture paste, just to add, a contrast. Then this card's just a mason jar, and there's a cookies at the bottom. Again, I put some greeneries, and this is the frame by Avriel. This is so cute. This is the bear holding a cocoa mug, and here are also cookies and the greenery. And again, all the papers are by Gingerbread or Snowy Days. And here is another card. It's like a shaker card, but it's not a shaker really. Just I die cut a mason jar and added a clear acetate just to see the cookies inside. Just I need to add a sentiment here. So this is an A2 and this is an A7. So cute. And last but not least, this cute card. Again, this is a mason jar. There's a gingerbread holding a gingerbread cookie. And this is the Rick Rack die by Paper Tray Ink. So here are my cards. I hope you like them and get inspired. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye!